Okay guys, this is gonna be my first YouTube video documenting my journey and how I started, and also I'm gonna be showing you all the trade that I have taken last week, and that trade is from GBPJPY, and I'm going to break down my trade, how I took the trade, what kind of strategies I use, and how do I actually apply it, all this good stuff. So let's just first of all, like, here, this model is just simply an market maker buy or sell model, so I just simply call this as a top model because I put, like, let's see, like, the number one is it should be aligned with the seasonal tendencies or counter trend to reach for 50% or some higher time frame PD areas. So for me, so I put this, seasonal tendency is important to me, and I know, like, sometimes I took trade without, not in align with the seasonal tendencies, but for me, for my L plus setups, I tends to, tends to took more trades where it is in the favor of the seasonal tendencies, where it has the same directions with the seasonal tendencies. So yeah, so this is my first, so second one is just internal to external liquidity or external to internal liquidity. So for me, my internal liquidity is fair value gap, order block, breaker block, previous daily high low, previous, um yeah. And external liquidity is weekly high low, daily high low, sessions high low, just previous high and low. Yeah, and I mainly use the weekly high and low, the daily high and low. And I rarely use the sessions high and low, you know. Yeah, because it's like I don't I usually take trades from the higher time frame perspective. So for example, if the trade is forming from the daily time frame, so I would like to see a daily internal internal range liquidity going to the external range liquidity, or external range liquidity going to the internal range liquidity. I don't want to go more inside and you know find some kind of, like, London low. So from London low to uh to this previous high, I don't want to do all that stuff, so yeah. And then number three one is an FVJ within the breaker block or FVJ within the order block. So when I found the setup, let's say for example it is in a daily time frame, so from daily time frame I'm gonna go down to the 1 hour time frame. So in that 1 hour time frame, I want to structure shift and actually create a PD array. So what I mean by PD array is either breaker block, order block, or fair value gap. So I prefer fair value gap among the three of them. So yeah, so in that fair value gap, I want to see another. So from 1 hour, I want to go down to the 15 minutes or 5 minutes. So in the 15 or 5 minutes, I want to see a fair value gap within the breaker block. You know what I mean? So fair value gap within a breaker block or fair value gap within an order block. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna give you an example in this in my in the chart. But wait. So SMT divergence with respect to SMT peers, this one is very crucial for me, SMT. So I actually need two SMT, one in the higher time frame and one in the lower time frame. So I'm gonna actually show this again, and then for the timing, London and the New York session. For now I only trade in these two sessions, and then below and above midnight New York opening, preferably. So I don't really mind not taking trades just because it is not above or below this midnight opening New York range, but it is a cool confirmation thing. And the lastly, quarterly theory align. I usually uh, tends to take trades on the second quarter to third quarter. This is where my sweet spots. Because second to third quarter is mostly mostly manipulation and distribution. So I like it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you all this one. So this trade I took in the GBPJPY. So firstly, why am I having two charts here? One here, this chart is for the GBPJPY and this chart is for the EUR because I tend my trades mainly based on the SMT divergence. So I like to show the SMT divergence happen on higher time frame as well as on the lower time frame. So firstly, in the weekly time frame we have here from internal liquidity as an fair value gap, weekly bullish weekly fair value gap to the external liquidity here. Same thing here also in the euro JPY. Okay, so from weekly time frame we go to the 4 hour time frame, you know and here also 4 hour time frame. um this trade is also good one. I took this trade also, but right now it's here. So I'm gonna find out in SMT divergence between from here to here, and from here to here. This one is SMT divergence. Have you seen this? Euro is more stronger as compared to the no, yeah, euro is more stronger as compared to the GBP. So we have a higher time frame SMT divergence confirmation, and from 4 hour, uh let me see more clear on the 1 hour time frame. Here we have a fair value gap. So here I'm gonna take him from this fair value gap, right? Yeah, so from here to fair value gap, I'm targeting this high, and so right now we have this uh, bullish 1 hour fair value gap. So from this we are going to go more dive in on the 15 minutes or 5 minutes to see the 4 hour entry, so once I found this fair value gap, why I choose this fair value gap, some people will ask, because it's like here we recently have a um, SMT divergence here, right? It goes here lower low, and for the euro it goes higher high. So here we have an SMT divergence confirmations, and also here we have um, a trading range here from here to here. Do you see this? So I consider this as a trading range in 1 hour time frame. So I choose this fair value gap to go upwards. Same thing with the euro JPY. So let me zoom in 5 minutes. Here we have this one. My computer is lagging so hard. God damn, bro. I need to buy a laptop, bro. It cannot handle all this recording stuff. So here we have clearly again SMT divergence here. SMT divergence here we have, and we have a fair value gap here forming here. Here fair value gap, so I took my trades here, putting my stop loss here, and then targeting for 1 to 2. Yeah, So this is how I took my trade. And also, if you actually apply the quarterly theory, so for quarterly theory in the London time frame, it start at 10:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m. is the IST time, Indian Standard Time for me. So for from 10:30 to 12 is first quarter for the London, and from 12 to 1:30 is the second quarter, and this 1:30 to 3 p.m. is the third quarter, and from 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. is the fourth quarter. So it perfectly lined in the third quarter, third quarter. And the interesting thing about this quarterly theory is it is either AMDX or XAMDX, which means A for accumulation, M for manipulation, and D for distribution, and X for either continuation or reversal. Same shit. AMDX means starting as either continuation or reversal, and then accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Here we have an exactly AMDX situation. First here it started from 10:30. It is accumulating, from 10:30 to 12, and then from 12 to 1:30 it is manipulation phase, and then from 1:30 to 3 it is distribution. So this is perfect with the quarterly theory. So this is great trade, and this video is my first video documenting my journey, and also I'm gonna be posting videos on the trades that I took at L. I'm not gonna be posting all the W's, all the wins that I have. I'm gonna still post my lows also, to for transparency, and also for me actually documenting my journey without bias, because I'm gonna be looking at this video when I'm successful, and I'm gonna see all the hard work I have done, all the sacrifices that I have made. So yeah, I hope this video um goes to those people who are also grinding hard, in this trading field, in this trading journey, to be successful. And yeah, I'll see you next video.